Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I am going to teach you how to make car. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a car. Children love cars. The car is also remote controlled, but this car will be built on page. We need only page, scale and black marker. A true artist consistently educates his or herself and is aware of the change happening in an area of work. He or she always walks on the path of self-development and keeps up with the changing times. True artists are learners for life. They believe in growth and are always focused on improving their craft. In relation to art, the term form has two meanings. It can refer to the overall form taken by the work, its physical nature, or within a work of art. It can refer to the element of shape among the various elements that make up a work. Henry Moore, OMCH, Recumbent, Figure 1938. Drawing remains a central and pivotal activity to the work of many artists and designers. A touchstone and tool of creative exploration that informs visual discovery, it fundamentally enables the visualization and development of perceptions and ideas. The earliest human drawings, dating back to the Stone Age, have been found in a cave in South Africa. It is a cross-hatched pattern and was drawn with a red ochre crayon. There are countless reasons that motivate the creation of art. Some of them are making or surrounding more beautiful, creating records of a specific time, place, person or object, and expressing and communicating ideas. The principle of constructive drawing is a cornerstone of drawing. This principle enables artists to draw what they know or whatever they can change, imagine. What this skill, a fine artist can build objects in a work of art so they look realistic and believable. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.